Everyone thinks the best-selling single-stage reloading press is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Lee Precision Reloading Press. First up is the Lee Reloading Press Model 90045. Priced at just $54.43, this press caught my eye with its bright red color and solid design. If you want an affordable solution that gets you started with reloading, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. This reloading press is designed for simplicity and efficiency. It weighs under 5 pounds, making it easy to handle and store, yet still sturdy enough to handle the reloading tasks you need it for. The compact dimensions mean it can fit into tight spaces, which is perfect if you're working with limited bench space. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,500 reviews, users rave about how easy it is to use, especially for beginners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You don't want to invest in something too complicated when all you need is reliable performance. Now, some people complained about the plastic components. Here's the thing though, while yes, they might feel less durable, the press has proven to hold up well for many users. If you're just starting out, this should not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you're an experienced reloader wanting high-end features. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more heft, the next product might actually be more your style. Product number 2: RCBS Summit Reloading Press. Next, we have the RCBS Summit Single-Stage Reloading Press priced at $315.03. The first thing that stands out is its unique upstroke design, which gives you a different feel than traditional presses. If you're serious about precision and control, this is worth a serious look. So why does this product stand out? The C-frame design allows for open front access, meaning you won't struggle to fit your hands or tools around the press. With a 4.5-star rating from 222 reviews, users appreciate the stability and ease of operation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're reloading for accuracy, this design minimizes movement and maximizes your control, ensuring each round is perfect. Now, some users mentioned it's heavier than expected, making it less portable. But honestly, that added weight contributes to its stability during operation, so it's really a trade-off you might appreciate. This is perfect for you if you're someone who reloads regularly and values precision. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or more budget-friendly. It's a solid investment for serious reloaders. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want portability and versatility. Product number 3: Lee Precision Hand Press. Now let's take a look at the Lee Precision 90685 Cast Iron Reloading Hand Press, another winner from Lee, priced at $62.86. What caught my attention is its compact design and lightweight nature. If you want something super portable that still packs a punch, this one is worth checking out. Why does this product solve your problem? This hand press is designed to be used anywhere, making it ideal for those who want to reload on the go or have minimal workspace. It's made from durable aluminum, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of reloading. With a 4.7-star rating from 580 reviews, users have praised its ease of use and sturdy feel. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're short on space or need to do some reloading at the range, this hand press is a lifesaver. Now, some users find the handle a bit short for comfortable use. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for short sessions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, but if you plan on doing a lot at once, it might get tiring. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution for reloading. Skip this one if you have a dedicated reloading setup at home. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something that combines durability with advanced features, the next product might be exactly what you need. Product number 4: Frankfurt Arsenal Impress. Coming up next is the Frankfurt Arsenal Impress, priced at $228.19. The sleek black design and heavy-duty build caught my eye immediately. If you want a press that combines strength with adjustable features, this one is worth considering. Why does this product stand out? This coaxial reloading press features an integral floating shell holder plate that makes aligning your cases a breeze. It's designed for serious reloaders, with parallel guide rods that ensure stability during operation. With a 4.6-star rating from 467 reviews, users appreciate its reliability and ease of use. Here's why this matters for you. If consistency is your goal, the adjustable alignment feature will help you achieve perfect rounds every time. Now, some users noted that it's a bit larger than traditional presses. But honestly, that size contributes to its stability and functionality, so if you have the space, it's actually a plus. This is perfect for you if you're looking for precision and versatility in your reloading process. Skip this one if you need something compact or have a limited workspace. It's well worth the investment for dedicated reloaders. Finally, if you're looking for a complete kit with everything you need, the next product on my list is the perfect choice. Product number 5, Hornady Lock and Load Classic. Last but not least, we have the Hornady Lock and Load Classic Reloading Press Kit, priced at $198. The comprehensive nature of this kit immediately grabbed my attention. If you want a complete solution that covers all your reloading needs, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product shine? The lock and load system allows for quick changes between dies, which is a huge time saver if you're switching calibers or loads. It also comes with a primer catcher and 3 lock and load die bushings, which adds to its convenience. With a 4.7-star rating from 226 reviews, users rave about how easy it is to set up and use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Time is money, and this system helps you reload efficiently without skipping a beat. Now, some users mention that the learning curve might be a bit steep for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the efficiency and convenience it offers are totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one reloading solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple and straightforward. For what you get, it's a fantastic value. In conclusion, we've covered 5 great single-stage reloading presses today. Whether you need budget-friendly, portable, heavy-duty, precise, or a complete kit, there's an option for you. A happy reloading. In conclusion, we've covered 5 great single-stage reloading presses today. From the budget-friendly Lee Precision to the robust RCBS, the portable Lee Hand Press, the versatile Frankfurt Arsenal M Press, and the all-in-one Hornady Lock and Load Classic, there's an option for every type of reloader. So whether you're just getting into reloading or you're a seasoned pro, you're bound to find something that fits your needs perfectly. Happy reloading!